update your NVIDIA GeForce driver. The required version is 576.88 issue. Hash step-by-step fix for Battlefield 6 NVIDIA GeForce driver version 576.88 error. Step 1. Check your current driver version. 1. Right-click on desktop, select NVIDIA Control Panel. 2. Go to Help, System Information. 3. Note your driver version under Details. If it's lower than 576.88, proceed to update. Step 2. Use GeForce Experience to auto-update. 1. Download install GeForce Experience, ht/www.nvidia.com/enus/geforce/experience/. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Launch it and go to the Drivers tab. 3. Click Check for Updates. 4. If version 576.88 or later is available, click Download and then Express Installation. 5. Restart your PC after installation. Step 3. Manually install driver 576.88 or newer if needed. If GeForce Experience doesn't show 576.88, 1. Go to official NVIDIA driver page, nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Select Product Type GeForce, Product Series, your exact GPU series, e.g. RTX 30 series, operating system. 3. Look for version 576.88 or newer. 4. Download and run the installer. 5. Select Custom Installation, check Clean Install, continue. 6. Restart your PC after completion. Step 4. Clean old driver files, optional but recommended. Use Display Driver Uninstaller, DDU. 1. Download DDU, https://w.guru3d.com/files details, Display Driver Uninstaller, download.html. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Boot into safe mode. 3. Run DDU, select GPU, NVIDIA, click Clean and Restart. 4. Reinstall the driver again, Step 3. Step 5. Disable Auto GPU Driver Override, optional. If Windows keeps reverting your driver, 1. Open Group Policy Editor, gpedit.msc. 2. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Do not include drivers with Windows updates. 3. Set it to Enabled. Step 6. Verify game files, optional. If the issue persists on Steam or EA app, right-click Battlefield 6 Properties, verify integrity of game files. Your game should now run without the NVIDIA GeForce 576.88 driver error. Escher, SEO title, fix Battlefield 6